But today is going to be smoky. So as you can see, I've been filling up my buckets with rainwater. We have been getting a lot, but this week we are going to be experiencing extreme heat. So my plants are going to need all the water that they can get right now. It does help that it has been raining a lot, so the soil isn't extremely dry, but at the same time, it's going to get super hot. But this extreme heat is definitely going to be new for us this week. Just like we have challenges, summer heat is a major challenge for plants. Scorching temperatures can lead to dehydration, wilting, and stunted growth. So understanding proper watering techniques is crucial for keeping plants healthy. Deep watering your plants encourages root growth. It also allows the plants to access moisture deep within the soil. It minimizes the risk of surface evaporation and promotes resilience. Soaking the soil. Ensure the water reaches the root zone. Frequency over quantity. Water deeply less often instead of shallowly every day. Mulching reduces evaporation and regulates soil temperature. Adding some water to this bucket. I'm going to start a batch of homemade fertilizer. These are 10-gallon grow bags. I usually like to, if I'm going to deep water, I will stand here and count anywhere from 10 to 20. Just depends on how dry the soil is. Let's see, let's count this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I do the same thing here. Again, depends on just how dry the soil is. Soaker hoses are great because they deliver water directly to the roots of your plants. Another excellent tool for deep watering is drip irrigation. It's an efficient and targeted water application. Also, watering cans with long spouts. They're perfect for reaching the base of plants. The sun has already shifted. I'm just sticking my finger down. It's moist all the way down to my index finger, so that's a good thing. And it also depends on the plants. This finger test would be great, but if your roots go deep down, then you'll have to water deeper. In closing, observe your plants for signs of dehydration. Adjust watering schedules based on weather conditions. Remember, a little extra care goes a long way. While our plants are very important to us, don't forget you're important too. Make sure to take care of yourself as well out here in this summer heat. So you can see right there. Yeah, it's on its way over here on this side. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.